insert 2 decoders into the machine. Press Start button to calibrate the distance between decoder and cutter. Fix calibration block on the top level of clamp and pay attention to the position. Click the picture of Prepare Tip Align Laser key to continue. Select image of automobile key clamp and click the picture of Prepare Tip Align Laser key to continue. Press decoder button and choose Automobile key clamp to calibrate the decoder length. Remove the right decoder and insert a cutter. Press Cutter button and choose Automobile key clamp to calibrate the cutter length.